Hello and welcome to Technical Minecraft Podcast, episode 13. I'm your host, Kaylee, and with me today is...
Hello, I'm ABH.
I'm Dragon Baby Fly.
I am 11 numbers.
Hey, I'm Johnny, old gamer.
I'm Jurassic.
And I'm Roby.
Okay. First video is Fast Interdimensional Travels 10 sub special by our man Xulotl. I'm gonna give him. It's extremely fast.
You can go anywhere in a 1000 by 1000 area in 4.2 seconds.
That is extremely fast.
It is fairly fast, yes.
To at least like 10 piston bolt speeds. 10 entire piston bolts, brother.
We've started off flaming piston bolt.
Yes, bro.
All piston bolts are so slow.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Is this like 116 or 115?
I think it's like anything after 14, right? Or whenever they changed portals.
Dimension loaders.
I think it's 1.15 plus.
It's whenever they added dimension loading.
I think 115 they changed portals and shit, so I think that's
Mhm.
Yeah.
That's when they did the chunk loading, yeah.
Yeah, there's 15 plus in it.
cool
Yeah.
fast thing.
And next we have another 15 plus thing. It's a binary decoder and logical gates by Technical Aspect. Dragon, go explain.
Yeah, so it's mostly used in binary storage halls to unlock a slice with a binary code, and he basically made a faster version than the original concept shown by Palapala. But in my opinion, I think it's not really worth to make it faster because it's a lot bigger as well, and that's mostly not the bottleneck in your system. So yeah, interesting concept, but not really worth it, I guess.
Okay, nice, thank you. And we have Noob Also Knows Two-Way Minecart Station by Chinese Numbers. I'm calling them Chinese numbers from now on. The dude's not like
You get to see 756, 756.
Yeah,
A brother of mine, to be sure.
I love this guy's video titles.
Yeah, actually, the title is Konws.
Oh, yeah, Konws.
Konws. Two-way minecart station.
It is a cool minecart station, though.
Yeah, it is.
Yeah. And it's two
Yeah.
ways. I want to know
If
what
you couldn't tell.
I want to know what he had in Chinese. He translated it to Noob Also Knows. Like, what's that supposed to be? Is it like, was he trying to go for like simple and
Beginner
easy?
to minecart station?
Yeah, it's got to be something like that, right?
But I think a lot of beginner stuff would be like the stuff you've seen before.
No, I think he's just calling himself a noob.
I don't think he's calling himself a noob, dude. He's clearly not.
Can we get a translator?
Crap, we didn't bring any Chinese people this time.
Fuck.
Oh,
Go DM
okay.
for him, brother, quick.
Yeah, go DM for him. Tell him what the hell this dude was on.
But yeah, it's a cool two-way station thing. It's compact.
But it's laggy because it uses entities.
That's true.
Yeah, it is unfortunate. Unfortunately, 1 TPS from a single one of them.
Also, only 40% of the speed of a piston bolt, which Kaylee's made her feelings about, well known. So.
40% of the speed? What? Because it's flat rails?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, but you can just replace it with curved rails and get 15 and a bit DPS.
Listen
right?
here, you. Still slower. But
Yeah,
still very cool.
Okay, it's a cool station. Now can we go to the next video?
Okay. Morse
Yes.
code machine in Minecraft Java by Xulotl again.
Yeah. In case you need to send Morse code messages.
Yeah. When you're cracking the Enigma code in Minecraft, but it's 2020. Who knows why? But it's a thing. It is quite cool.
The project
Cool
shit.
concept.
But I'm going to be honest. If I was like 14, I would be marking out over that thing right now. I'd be fucking losing my shit over how cool that is. Sadly, it's arrived 10 years too late.
I thought it was interesting, just if for nothing else than for like, it's like taking aspects of computational like redstone with the registers and stuff, and like putting it into like a somewhat functional application. Not that Morse code's ever really functional in Minecraft, but
I imagine
it's
you
interesting.
you could probably do something with it. Like you could probably take this apart, make it more specialized, and actually use it for something useful in survival.
I wonder what you would need a Morse code machine for, though.
No, not Morse code.
Not the Morse code
multiplexing
specifically.
Oh,
but-
yeah,
Like
okay, I get
multiplexing
that.
signals. Like if you want to, I don't know, if you've got some like lit as fuck like network of crap in the nether that you want to control.
Yeah. I mean, it is like it's a novel way to put together a lot of components that have been done before, but I kind of enjoy that.
It is good.
Katie, do you mean by system of system of hub in the nether? Do you mean piston bolts?
No,
Somewhere Oreo lamp has just woken up.
Yeah, Oreo is
ready.
about to arrive. Yeah, no, I mean like, like mob switches and stuff. Like if you've got like all your mob switches and like everything, like link up like concrete converters and whatnot. Well, I suppose not concrete converters, but
Or it's just decoding pulse lengths and period for different decoding that for line control.
Like you could plop one of those in your nether hub and control everything with like one line, pretty much. I doubt it would be practical, but it might be.
It's cool. There you go.
Okay, next video.
Yeah. Your video,
ABH, of
ABH?
course.
Oh, 1 second. Yeah, simple portal warp. This was like a week after they released the update suppression portal warp. All you have to do is disconnect your internet and you get portal warp.
Yes.
Epic.
This is a technique that was actually mastered by Zerfi on Bismuth Survival many years ago.
Oh, don't forget Red, of course.
ASD.
I love how ASD is the cry for help that you receive in Discord. Fucking Zerfi Networks ASD is fuck, he's in the void again. Fucking poor bastard. I mean, it happens less now that I set up the KCP node. Now it only happens like twice a day.
Yeah.
Twice a minute.
Good video, ABH. Proud of you.
I have spent 2 minutes on it, but thank you.
Thank you, Abdullah. Thank you.
I guess that
Mashallah, brother.
You're my second favorite content creator, man. Good job.
Who's the first?
Me.
Me,
Raise.
of course.
I guess that thing with the portal, it needs to be done on a server, right?
Well, yeah,
Well,
disconnecting
right,
your
yes.
internet
But you can
won't do a
just-
whole
yeah,
lot
yeah.
for you.
Yeah, being practical in single player. I'm gonna be
You can-
honest.
You can also, instead of unplugging your internet, suspend the task for 30 seconds.
Yeah.
That won't work in single player because you also suspend the server.
An unfortunate fact of single player existing.
Oh my god.
Yeah, just use a server.
Yeah.
You know, right?
Single. What good is like the integrated server compared to just the non-integrated?
Set up a
server?
local host. Just set up a local host.
Yeah, like
Yeah.
literally just run a server on your PC. It's 50 times better. You get a console that you can write shit in, and you don't have to like fuck about with the fact that it pauses when you press escape and stuff.
Anyway, can we go to the next video?
Yes.
Yes.
Minecraft.
Yeah.
I transform my friend's Blimp into a Fire Nation Airship flying machine by Dylan D. I don't know. It's a flying machine, but looks cool, isn't it?
Yeah, it's really
Yeah,
cool.
it's pretty cool.
Yeah.
I mean,
Right.
it serves no purpose.
It's
but,
just interesting, I
Yeah,
guess.
I know, he makes cool
It's
looking
quite
flying
nice.
machines. His flying machines always look pretty lit, but what's the
It's
practical
not really
use of it?
practical.
Yeah,
Yeah.
Yeah.
I mean, I guess you could build one in survival if you wanted to have something that looked cool, but you'd fly it once, and then it's like you
Well, now
can't do
they're-
anything with it anymore because now you can't see it because it's flown out of render distance. Like,
Well, yeah, but now there's a like blimp just going about your world now. Oh,
yeah, I know.
That's powerful.
Yeah, but I don't know.
Oh.
If it could go two ways, it would be cool because then you could at least like reset it. You could watch it
Have
several
you-
times.
Yeah, I've never seen a blimp go backwards. I don't know what blimps you're watching, brother.
And haven't you watched Kdender? That entirely went backwards and on fire.
It's a cool flying machine.
Yeah.
I'm gonna go
Yes.
build it on survival just to make helium.
Okay, bro. Okay, bro. Go waste all our blocks on that thing. Go do it.
I think we have enough.
No,
No.
isn't that like entirely concrete? Go quickly.
So
What
Wait,
concrete? What gravel do we have? All of the gravel from Guardian
we
was
have like
despawned.
200k.
What the
And they
fuck?
they definitely have more than we have. Yeah,
Yes,
whatever.
We dug a new perimeter, Kaylee.
But in
Another
ocean.
one, huh?
Oh shit! Yeah.
Yeah.
Oh yeah.
We have dug.
Did we show that
We've
yet?
dug 2 perimeters in ocean.
Have we shown that yet?
Okay,
On
moving
stream.
on.
Yeah, moving on.
Alright, let's go to the next
Okay.
video.
Okay. Alugi's made a new door.
Spoilers.
It's 10 by 10.
A door guy.
Yeah, Alugi is fastest in 10 by 10 piston. As always, it's Alugi, so the wiring is charitably described a mess.
It works good enough.
Yeah, he
Yeah.
uses pistons much like a hammer.
Fastest implies that he defeated Mr. Walker, which is just incredible.
I
Yeah,
don't-
that is.
Well, no, I'm pretty sure the previous fastest was actually his as well, wasn't it? For 10 by
This is
10?
wild. No,
No one
those are
really
cool,
makes
man.
fast 10 by 10s.
I don't know.
Because they're
Man,
just.
It's not
Yeah.
fast anymore.
Yeah.
I mean, door guys are insane anyway, so whatever.
Yeah.
They have some large brains to make these shit.
10 seconds is like.
Yeah.
Well, 4 seconds is like slow.
You know, right?
Yeah, right. Slow.
Okay, next video.
Okay, Eric made a 12-headed piston in 1.7.
Bro, that's fucking amazing.
It
I'm
is
gonna go
pretty
build
cool.
that on one. I'm gonna build that on one of my one.
Oh god, it's just another Yoni moment where you've got
Yeah,
like
it really
15 people
is.
playing.
It's dangerous. Like,
Your 1.4 world, your 1.7 world, your 1.8 world, your 1.9 world. Your
you
beta
forgot to back up
1.6
your
world.
1.4 world, but don't worry, somebody else had a world download for you. It's wild.
Yeah.
I found it somewhere, so
Yeah, we question why this happened. Like, why did you have the world, bro? That's the real.
I don't know what happened, but well, I get it, but
I hope
Oh.
you know what happened. You made the fucking world.
I lost my mod farm.
Okay, whatever.
What the-
Moving on.
Okay,
Moving
next
on.
video.
There's a lot of shit in this video. Like, I didn't play back here. Like, I didn't play back in 1.7, so I had no, like, a lot of the techniques he's using to, like, do some of this shit I've, like, never seen before, and I'm just, like, blown away that this shit worked at some point.
Oh yeah.
So it's
What,
just,
you-
it's,
1.7 is pretty cool.
Yeah, you mean like the whole arrows to make the 6-headed
Yeah.
piston that auto update suppresses, yeah.
yeah, it's
Those
like
are weapons.
wild shit. I'm like, what the fuck is happening here?
Yeah,
What the
that's a-
fuck is this?
I need
Yeah,
to say.
If
He's
I remember
moving
the-
like 6-headed pistons around, like with
Yeah.
other piston, and I'm like, the fuck is this shit, man? Like 1.7 was the fucking Wild West, I guess, dude.
Oh
It-
boy, it was amazing.
1.8 pistons are actually about as lit as 1.7 pistons. It's just you can't manipulate them as much with arrows.
Yeah,
Well,
this is
that's
kind
all.
of crazy to me.
Because 1.7 arrows are a trip.
But anyway, very cool.
Yeah.
Next video.
In parallel regency. Enrich.
You mean the slimeless
6,
2-directional thing?
Yes.
Sure.
Man,
It's a slimeless
Yeah,
two-directional flying machine. It's pretty cool. Okay, next video.
man, shut up. It's garbage.
It's useless.
It is useless and garbage.
It's a challenge. Okay, good enough. Can we move to the next video?
Yes.
Yes.
It's a movement thing.
Oh yeah, it's a
Yeah,
6-block
it's like
jump.
calculation of the 6-block jump. And, some
And they
math
also did
behind
it, I think, in the end.
Yes.
I saw 6-block had been done for ages. People just didn't know how they could do it.
Yeah, they could be done, but no one actually found a way to do it. No one did the math to do it.
Yeah, it's pretty interesting. The math and stuff.
The guy put in some work to it. Cool video.
I'm not very interested in Minecraft movement. It's a bit rubbish, but yeah, it's cool.
No, I just fly everywhere, so
Yeah.
I don't really think about how far I can jump when I can just elytra glide.
Yeah, I have an elytra. What more do I want?
Or
Here we have.
or at the most, ender pearls. At the most.
Okay, Ulrich.
I need to shut
Okay,
up.
next
dude.
video, next video.
Okay, we have
Okay.
30 by 30 map painter with 15 colours.
15?
Yeah, I've been informed that I should stop shouting in
And
videos.
this,
People got
this,
upset.
this, okay. This
But-
thing is amazing. Okay.
Wait, which of the 16 colors did they cuck me out of?
I'm not sure. You should go ask them.
I mean,
Which
I'll
of the
go check.
16 colours did sleep with your wife alone? Which of
listen here, Zerfy's not a color.
So he's not a colour. Wait, that's your
Alright.
mother. Your mother's also your wife? Jesus, fuck. This is
Yeah.
getting some very Bama very quickly.
Yeah, real Bama.
Yeah, I thought you were not from Georgia. he's actually from
ABH,
Bama.
ABH, you were super impressed with this when you watched it, weren't you?
Oh,
I think
bro,
I remember you
it's
saying something
amazing.
about this.
It is amazing. You can, anything in your brain, you can just draw it on a map, and you can program it, and you can remove it, and paint another thing over it. Now, the issue with it is it's quite small. If it was like a full map area, that would be pretty cool, but it would probably take like ages to fill it in.
Build a ton.
That is true.
Yeah, just build more
Or
of it.
50.
I think
Yeah,
like
exactly.
someone
More.
else was working on a concept of this. Like you could save like maps to storage. You could save them to memory, sorry, and then you can
Yeah,
put them back up.
Yeah, like KK showed me a video on that or some shit.
Yeah, there is some full color display, I think.
Yeah,
It's pretty cool. I like it.
yeah. I mean, in theory, you just need to make a bigger one of these. And
Yeah,
then
and
you
then
only
you
ever
never
need
need to
that
make
a
and
map
nothing
art.
else.
But there's like a big problem, even if you just set black and white, how you can program it in survival.
Oh yes, someone was working on that. Like
I
this one, you
wanted
can just paint.
To do
You
it,
paint one pixel by pixel. But that's
Yeah.
extremely slow.
Yeah, I
no,
don't
but
see.
even
no,
if you
do it.
can do it fast, like filling the chests, it's like insane. You need, I think, 50 chests or something,
Yeah,
where you
just
need to
have.
input some
you-
pattern in survival, which is kind of garbage. Program
I don't
one.
know. Yeah, but you do it once and then you make the map and then you're fine, right?
Man, if
Yeah,
you
I
just
agree
only
with
just make a map and then save it to the memory, and then make another map, save that to memory, and then choose which one you want. That'd
Yeah,
be
but the
pretty
map
good.
never updates, right? So you can have different
Uh,
maps in the same location.
Yes, you can.
Yeah. So
Yeah.
you build a bunch of these, and then provided you can program it faster than you can like build another map art, you've profited.
Yeah, that is true, but it's pretty hard to program it.
I think I
Yeah.
could probably place 30 by 30 faster than I could build that contraption, though.
Yeah, that is true. It's like
Yeah.
it takes a lot.
Yeah,
Just
but
It's
like
easier to just
Going
in
out
a-
on a limb.
in a theoretical sense, though, like if there was like a bigger one of these,
If you want to complete for a map and you just want 2 pixel colors, the easiest I think is to do 256, because then you have a little bit of space for pistons in between.
Mm.
But that's like a lot of blocks to place.
I don't know. Someone will make a better one at some point.
No, it's cool either way.
Yeah, eventually these will become practical, I think.
Eventually.
Or people will run out of other shit to do, right?
Yeah, but it's a pretty cool concept.
And next video is idiot-proof dual-edge instant repeater. Now, we can't vouch for this being actually idiot-proof. This wasn't tested against the bismuth member, so we
Yeah.
don't know how proof it is. Like, Johnny's not been let loose on it yet, so...
Shut up.
And we'll have you test it after, Yoni. It's cool.
Yeah, we'll put the results of that at the end of the video, or right now, I guess. In which Johnny experiences whatever the...
Did they break something on bismuth? I don't think so.
Yes, all the time. Why do you think we're constantly telling you to fix shit? It's because your breaks it.
Exactly.
Aggressive.
Anyway,
Well,
I haven't break anything.
very cool instant repeater though. Apparently spam proof. He did a lot of spamming.
soon
I
test.
believe it is as
Break,
advertised.
Well, soon it's tested against an actual idiot, namely Yoni, and then we'll find out. Results video at the end.
Stop bullying. Okay, next video.
Yeah.
Okay.
Unload proof perfect fast brewing station. Yeah.
From
Yeah, it's a
Chinese
brewer.
Technical Minecraft Collector.
It's all in
Yeah.
Chinese. I could not understand anything.
Well,
It looks
it's
pretty cool.
Yeah.
by Magic Riding, who's really quite good. He-
Yes, Magic and Fallen are the boys.
Magic
I think
comes to-
this was the first video released on the.
I
This
think
is
so,
the-
yeah.
Oh yeah,
This is the
TP
Billy
the
Billy
first
like
one.
conglomerate channel, yeah.
we should talk about this channel. It's pretty cool.
Yeah.
So, someone want to explain about what it is?
Well, it's basically some dudes who just take Billy videos and upload them on YouTube.
Yeah,
So
pretty much.
It's
we-
pretty cool.
because it turns out
We
foreigners
get
aren't
to see-
using Billy.
Yeah.
It turns out
We
I
get
can
to
watch
see the
YouTube
content
videos
on
on
there.
my I can watch YouTube videos on my phone, but I get told that I'm going to be arrested if I watch Billy videos. So it's
It is on.
That sounds cool.
Yeah, and
The channel you should check out 100%.
yeah. And another video from that channel's next, which is most compact tunnel bore array. Is it the most compact?
Think so?
it's
No, there was a more compact one made, I think, recently.
Oh,
Oh.
it's still pretty compact, but
yeah. This is
Most
from the end of
compact
June,
one time.
so
yeah. Yeah. These are like 3 month old videos.
mhm.
Yeah. Oh well. It is compact. And
It is
keeps-
extremely
Yeah.
compact.
Super duper.
It's compact and it launches.
There's a more compact one, though.
Yeah.
You can just use dispensers and make an even more compact one. If you have movable talent.
I
to
know,
use
right?
this.
I mean, I can make an even more compact one called a fucking diamond pickaxe, but you know.
Of course. But it's
Right.
not as fast, is it now?
Yeah, but it's not
Just
about.
get a bunch of bots.
Yeah, like just fucking Hypnos style, bro. 50 volts on the 201.
You know, that's my idea, by the way.
Copyright, we're happy.
One pillar,
Oh,
like
boy.
2 seconds, by the way.
Okay, right. Okay.
Oh, boy.
I invented it.
Yeah, right. Did you also invent the pickaxe and the bomb?
That was me.
Sorry, I left.
Of course.
Okay.
It was a joint invention between me and 11.
Truly great.
Just like the item filter. Next video.
Well, the next video is we found out that TnT Duping has actually been ended by Cycraft,
Mhm. Yes.
but they still
Good
seem to
blast
be
chamber.
on stream, so I'm not sure what's gone on here.
Yeah, it's an interesting blast chamber. Gets a lot of blocks, so
It's like 600 blocks per TNT or some shit.
yeah.
Gives some possibility for not TNT duping, I guess.
Yeah, but
Yeah.
that already existed, and it's called a wither.
That is true, just use a wither. But unless you're like in 115 and making wither cages are way too hard for you.
What? Because they're playing
Oh, you're
115 and
peaceful.
they are.
Don't you just
incompetent.
Oh yeah, or you're on peaceful, either one.
On. How do you get the gunpowder on peaceful?
You don't.
Very
you need
carefully
to get the TNT
loot
from
chests.
the
Yeah.
place.
Wow.
If you loot chests, you wouldn't be wasting your gunpowder on this. You'd be using
Yeah,
it
that's-
as this pit.
That's kind
Get
of
it from a wandering trader.
All right.
Well, yes.
Oh yeah, you
I
can
think he
get
sells gunpowder.
easy.
And
Renewable
either way,
gunpowder.
the whole forget playing on peaceful. What an incredibly dumb concept. Whatever.
It's
600
just,
blocks per TNT. It's efficient.
that's-
Yes.
It's
Yes.
efficient.
Next video.
Yeah, Cynimal compacted a 3-way bedrock breaker. It's cool. It breaks bedrock in 3 directions.
Yes, like it's I think
really?
third. Yeah.
Hmm.
It's a 3-way. Have you never seen 3-way?
He plays 150.
Sarcasm.
Oh yeah.
It's sarcasm.
It's pretty cool. I think he made it like a third smaller than the old one by XCOM and Pingu and him. He did it in a month, so
Also, I think this one can skip blocks. So Exactly, you can break like a pattern, the old ones only can break full blocks.
Well, that would mean he readed the bottom, because the whole problem with skipping blocks was that the bottom needed to be fired every time. You couldn't reset it without, or if the bottom triggered without having headless pistons in it and removing the bedrock, the entire machine crashed. And
Okay, I don't know.
You'll have to see it with that.
Last time I talked with XCOM, he said you can use this one for skipping blocks.
Oh boy, no, he was talking about the 115 one.
Oh,
Which is,
okay.
I don't think it's in this video. Next TMP, I guess.
yeah, next team.
Yeah.
Okay, next video.
Some base location stuff by PanNic. Well, I don't know if it's actually
Smart.
by PanNic or it's just his video.
Yeah, I think he figures it out. If someone shoots an arrow, it goes opposite of their bed and knocks you back opposite of their bed, so it's pretty cool. Yes?
Okay, didn't know that.
It's you can find bases pretty easily with this method, I guess.
Yeah. Next video is kind of big. I don't know.
Yeah.
It's like
Find the
the big cactus.
like-
So the
Oh,
cactus
boy.
is big anyway, but the video itself is also pretty big because they've been working on that for ages.
A long time.
Yeah,
A very long time, a lot of
still don't know.
coding,
I don't know why
lots
they
of
still
big
care.
brains.
Like,
It's fun for seed finders and shit.
I don't know, it got boring pretty fast when it was just like, yeah, let's keep on making bigger and bigger lookup tables.
Yeah, it's like 8 blocks they got or some shit like that. Was it 8 or was it 6?
It's way more than 8.
It's 18 or 19.
Yeah.
18, wow, okay,
Yeah.
that's
Yeah, like
something.
the
Yeah, like,
original.
there's an 8. Yeah, there's an 8-block cactus on Prototech seed, dude.
The original limit
Bro.
was 9, I think, because it's like 3 cactus on top of each other or something, and then they
Mm.
noticed you can get stacked cactus in different
you
chunks
can-
stacked on top of each other.
People have more than 9. Like the highest cactus.
Yeah, of course you can, but the
No,
maximum...
I mean like the whole thing that started this project was someone found, I believe, a 12.
Oh, I don't know, there was some
Yeah.
limit, it's
No,
explained in the video.
Yeah, but no,
where they
because that
thought it was
cactus
ended.
was over the original limit, I believe.
Whatever.
Pretty cool
It's
shit.
really
All I know
good
is
video.
there's an 8-block cactus on Prototech seed.
Aren't they like continuing with the big cactus quest?
Yes.
Probably.
Well, I
They've
think
been
the
continuing
cactus-
it for some time now.
Yeah,
the
it's
cactus
19
was the
blocks by
biggest
the way.
one. Didn't
Yeah,
they
this is
start a lot of
19.
projects based on this?
I don't know.
Okay.
Yeah, cool
Also,
shit,
there's
boy.
like open computing something, so if you have spare hardware, you can download the seed finding software. You can search for one on your own computer.
Or you could mine your own bitcoins rather than theirs.
I know, right?
I know, right?
Super worth it.
Easy.
Next video. Yeah. I think this is a shit post. I'm not sure.
It's a shit post.
It's literally
It is.
sugar cane farm with the gimmicks, I guess.
Yeah, I don't.
Yeah, it's just interesting.
I don't know if
He
it's a
moves
shit.
the minecarts on their own and shit. It's not practical at all, but it is a gimmick.
Yeah. It's a sugarcane based shit post. Go watch. And then video 20 is Sarah makes even better shit post. Headless piston wine machine. It moves the headless
Sarah.
piston forward.
Sarah, why did he make this? It just
How
moves
can you be
headless
mean to
pistons.
Sarah?
I don't know why
Sarah's
she
pretty
made
good at Slimestone.
it. Yeah,
Go
I
watch
don't know why.
other useful shit by her. And also
Yeah.
stop lazy and go make your 3-way.
Yeah, I don't know why this machine exists. So
Man, it
Cool.
exists because she's procrastinating making the 3-way.
fucking lazy.
Exactly.
Fucking lazy.
Easy, bro. Just don't make the 3-way.
Okay, bro. And next we have some EOL thing, which was well, I don't know. First, I'm glad to see someone using the trick I discovered. Yeah.
Oh yeah.
And,
Okay, yeah. This is the fastest witch farm in 113? Or 113
Actually-
plus?
yeah, well,
Actually, you
be.
can get it faster.
yeah. First, this
Yeah,
isn't
with
the
the raid
fastest.
farm.
No,
No,
even
you
for
can,
witch huts, they didn't even build for witch hut optimally.
Oh.
Yeah.
Oh, yeah.
I don't know. Yeah, this is
Yeah, in the comments, they explained how you can get it faster, but it's pretty. I think it's a troll. It's not really meant to be practical in survival.
Okay, another thing about this video, Kdender did not credit the EOL, which literally he just copied over. Hey, Victor40, by the way, go check out this video.
Yeah, and I don't think he even credits like who actually found lights. Me.
That you're using the trick I discovered.
I literally had light suppression about a year before any of these servers even existed because it happened on the Cycraft Patreon server, like the Skyblock.
Oh boy.
Someone like I don't know, they whitelist some real goddamn chimpanzees on, and one of them built a light suppressor on there without realizing, and it meant that that basically the Nether Hub was the world's fastest ghast farm for a while. Every time someone loaded the Nether Hub, thousands of fucking ghast would just get yeeted into the overworld because all the portals lost their light. And
that sounds fun.
Because it's Skyblock and everything's made out of wood for some reason, it went very well.
Oh.
Yeah.
Okay, but stolen farm.
Stolen farm, stolen.
I'm just gonna say it's stolen farm.
Mhm.
Didn't credit the original person, Victor40, and he even failed at making it the fastest.
Yeah.
So,
All in all, I
Okay.
give this video cringe out of 10.
okay, next video.
Quest for Bedrock item 112. Quest already completed. Move on.
Okay,
Alright.
since we don't have the other part of this video here,
Oh yeah,
let's
shit.
just
We have
talk
the other
about the
part.
theory.
Okay, yeah.
You should have the other part, by the way.
No.
No, just
No, next
For
video.
now we
What's
say-
next TMP?
Yeah, what's
Earth
next?
found a
TNT?
way.
In like 5
Yeah,
months.
to see
Yeah,
how
they
the
found
fuck
another way to do it.
Yeah.
Basically, just replacing a redstone orb with bedrock and breaking it using a haste 9 or efficiency 8, I think.
Yeah, some crap like that. Yeah.
Yeah.
Very practical in survival, by the way.
Super.
Extremely.
Okay, next video.
Any signal strength 01 red coder. So this is basically a red coder that operates in not linear, in fixed time. So no matter what signal strength you put in, it will always activate after the same number of game ticks. Moving on. Dragon, it's your turn.
It is your time to
Okay.
shine.
Go talk about troubled storage tech input handling.
So he talks in this video about splitters, variable sorters, and the other type he discovered or made, the entity sorting. That's what he calls it, and it uses the fact that a hopper can only take one stack of items at a time. So yeah, he basically unloads the boxes and then splits it in like boxes with all a single stack of items, and then later in the video he shows his variable box merging, which is better for the type of output he get from his entity sorting. And he gives some reasons why he thinks it's better than shocker box splitting and merging, what was shown by Palapala. And that's basically it.
And what are your feelings on that?
Okay, next video.
We want to hear Dragon's opinion.
Okay, let's hear this. Go on, Dragon.
I personally disagree with that because he says that box splitters are either very laggy or very big, but that's not true.
Dragon, what's your opinion on the unlocked hopper when it is not loaded?
Excuse me, stop entity lag.
Okay, moving on.
Stop shitposting. Okay, next video.
Okay, yeah. Fallen made a 4 game tick dustless UTF. And, well, just from the title, I can tell you that it doesn't properly handle Big Oak because the 39k will be Big Oak. That's how fast Big Oak is in a 4 game tick farm if you use an Oak switch to block height. The Acacia mode, I believe, is 8 game ticks. So that's, what's 8 game tick Acacia? That would be like 50k? 55k? Something like that?
Mm-hmm.
And the rest of it's all obviously just 80.4k jungle, 60.4k. What's that fucking tree
Birch.
called? Yeah, Borch. I don't know how fast. I don't know how fast Bruce is in 15. It's whatever.
Yeah.
It's Bruce in 15. Who knows?
Yeah, I don't care enough about 15 because of how easy Spruce is. Like,
Fun fact about this tree farm: if you try to run it in 1.16.1, you will crash your game.
fun fact,
Good.
that's because 1.16.1 is bad.
Well, that's
Play all versions.
that's
I do
anything.
agree
That's
with you.
anything with pistons in like that version too.
That's true.
Like Sneeze had a lot of problems in her like fungus shit with this, so it's not an indictment of this tree farm so much as it is of the game in its current state. So
It is
Well, it was fixed in this 16.2, so I think it works now.
pissed.
Can't confirm that though.
cool. Two-way egg dropper.
Oh
Moving
yeah,
on.
this is
Drops.
a cool egg dropper. It
Yeah.
goes in two directions. You
Yeah.
have to only build it once. Pretty cool.
Yeah. For large areas, it's worth it. For smaller areas, probably not worth it.
Yeah,
Eh.
it's actually worth it. I can tell you. I've run it in survival, and I think it's worth it. So you don't have to
Yeah.
constantly
Yeah, it's
build
really
shit.
worth it. Yeah,
Unless it's an area that's small enough to like banner, like if you're building a flying machine, it's always worth it to build a two-way. I feel like 'Cause that's
maybe.
Yeah,
that's 4 or 5 times you're running that shit.
The
So.
other one's much easier to build.
Yeah, this is a bit harder, but worth it because you can run it both ways.
This is the next logical conclusion of the
Yeah, I
lineage
guess,
of the land mining minery machine.
Yeah.
Of
Well,
course.
sorry, but not Alex machine. He wants it to be known.
I apologize.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, go make it 2-way now.
And you can't
Okay,
make
next
that
video.
Okay. Jurassic, go talk about your thing, your device.
Okay, so this video is 100 AK gunpowder farm, which was designed in 1.15. I guess, I don't know, it's pretty it's different from usual traditional single dimension designs, which is why I made it. But that version of the farm isn't the best because it doesn't have a proper killing floor and also doesn't work in 1.12, which is a pretty easy fix, but I'm lazy.
Well, in one,
It's cool though.
is it as fast? Actually, no, it won't be as fast in 1.12. Like, it is just fast.
I don't know if it's the fastest in
It
1.12.
probably is.
might
The
be.
fastest in 1.12 is, I believe, the one me and GPW made that isn't released.
Isn't the one single dimension fastest creeper farm made by Redz?
No. The
Oh,
one.
of course.
No, the fastest one was KK's thing, right?
I think Redz, didn't you make a faster one? Go see.
I don't think so.
It's not tested.
Okay.
Yeah. Like the fastest
Mhm.
tested one is one me and GPW did. Which-
Yeah, that's with portals and they're disgusting.
No,
Fastest one.
no,
is,
no, single dimension.
No, this one's
Oh.
single dimension.
Single
nice.
dimension. It's single dimension. It's easier to build. Like even without schematic, you can build this. Like you could be lobotomized and build it. It
Yeah.
uses less block. It's just all around very optimal. And
Can we get the rates?
the rates, I don't remember. They're like they're 10 something. They're 10 something.
Oh, I think cake is like 110k.
That's nonsense. It's
Yeah,
not 110k. That's complete bull.
they made one with 110k.
Yeah.
Yeah, they made one.
Don't trust
Oh,
any
the
of
one on
KK's.
It's
survival.
like down Excel.
KK literally tests his rates using fucking data packs. And also
Yeah.
chesting.
Using databags?
Yeah, it's like
Wow.
back,
Well, okay,
like
you
before
know-
carpet.
Yeah, you know the OG like dogged one that KK made. You know how it says in the video it's 100k. We retested it when we made ours, and it's 96.
Oh, OP.
Huge problem.
And that was over like fucking a couple hundred hours as well. It wasn't a bad test. So I don't
Okay,
know.
should we go to the next video?
Yes.
Fishing rod movement. Extreme parkour trick shot 420 no scope.
Oh yeah, they wanted to
Gamer
use something
time.
similar to this for Bedrock item. The next video, I guess.
Yeah. Another way to break the 320 blocks per second speed limit.
It's the fast elevator that does not work anymore.
Yeah, it's just a Yamamoto.
Cool.
But he thinks
Okay.
it's better than a regular Yamamoto. I don't know why. It's just a Yamavator.
Okay, are we done?
Yes.
Yeah.
Haha, cool.
Yes.
Okay.
Goes up to me.
Good job, gamer.
No sub to me.
Booga booga.
Sub to everyone.
We
Ooga
made it,
ooga.
and we made it, and Dragon didn't even get angry once.
Yeah.
Oh, nice.
Man.
I can't believe Dragon didn't pop off about binary storage one time.
Okay,
Oh man.
Didn't get aggressive.
and we go ooga ooga for the outro.
Top shit.
Alright, I'm out.